93%. That's how many Indian F&O traders lost money over the last 3 years, according to SEBI's own study. Not a rumor, not a hot take. The regulators' own numbers. 1 crore traders, 1.8 lakh crore rupees gone. If you're a cub thinking about jumping into options trading right now, I need you to hear this before you hear anything else. Let's break down what actually happened. SEBI looked at every individual trader in the equity F&O segment from FY22 to FY24. 93% lost money. Average loss 2 lakh rupees per trader. Only 1% made more than a lakh in profit after costs. Here's the part that should really sit with you. More than 75% of the traders who lost money kept trading the next year. Same mistakes, same losses, different month. That's not bad luck. That's a broken plan or no plan at all. In pause before profits, we don't start with indicators. We start with position sizing. Because the traders in that 93% weren't just wrong about direction, they were betting too big on being right. Here's the pattern SEBI found. Young traders, under 30, income under 5 lakh a year, trading off influencer calls and app notifications, not a plan. A cub without a trading plan isn't investing. A cub without a trading plan is gambling with extra steps. The lions in that same data, the profitable ones, they're not smarter than you. They're not luckier than you. They just size their positions like the account has to survive tomorrow, not just today. You don't need to be in the 93%. You need a plan before you need a platform. That's what pause before profits is built for. Support and resistance, position sizing, a real trading plan before you risk a single rupee. Scarce money don't make none.